What you blocking?
What did I tell y'all in the visiting home vlog? Parents find the darnest. Where did you get the... Morning and happy Vlogmas day 3. Okay, so, oh, my phone's already going off. Anyway, I know I look crazy. Got my little 4 cornrows going, you know, a little hang time or whatever, don't hate me. So, I'm about to ride the Peloton like I told y'all yesterday. It's actually a little later. I got the Vlogmas day 2 video up. Said your mom is getting in at 3. Yep, so mom will be here at 3, so it's 11:11. Wow, make a wish, pray, make a prayer. Okay, say a prayer. Okay, I did a little extra. Anyway, so I also figured out how to, which I know I feel like I'm super late in the game, how to how to edit from my external hard drive. Why have I been using all the storage on my, listen, but you know what, better late than never. No, my nails still aren't done, but I've also, okay, I have lotion on my hand. No, my nails still aren't done, but I've decided I'm gonna do press on nails. Let me show you guys real quick, and then I'm gonna get on the Peloton. Then I'm gonna go have a late lunch at my boyfriend's. But here are the press on nails I will be using. Let's get some better lighting. Okay, let me move my ugly nails. Ooh, So yeah, I decided to do that because I'm running out of time. I ain't got time to go get my nails done, honestly. And I don't know if anybody else feels this way, but getting my nails done isn't my favorite thing to do. Like, I know I have to get them done. I like when they're done, but I don't necessarily like sitting there getting them done. I don't know, it's just not my thing. But okay, got everything set up. In another vlog, I'll do like a full Peloton review, but I'm kind of in a hurry today, so I'm not gonna do that. Can y'all see? By the way, these amazing biker shorts are from Walmart. They have pockets, super affordable. If I can find a link, I'll leave it below. This hat, so, cause it's red, people think like, oh, it's a Trump. No, it has nothing to do with Trump. It says God is dope, but I just don't like to wear it out of the house because I feel like people are gonna associate me with Trump, and like that's just not what it is. It's not what it says. But I don't have time to deal with people, so. Okay, I'm gonna get my phone set up so I can watch some YouTube. Beautiful people, so you see I'm getting my oatmeal ready. I decided to go ahead and just eat some oatmeal. I haven't eaten anything. I don't like to eat before a workout. Is that weird? I don't know, I just don't like to. Also, I'm like bootleg intermittent fasting lately because I ate so much. No shame, okay? It's no shame in my eating game, but I ate a lot for Thanksgiving, so I'm trying to just like, you know, be cautious and everything. But yeah, I'm about to make some oatmeal, and I wish I had like fruit or something, but I don't. It's looking real. It's looking real. I need to buy some food, but I know I'm about to leave this weekend, so I didn't want to like go completely grocery shopping yet. But as soon as I get back, that's what we'll be doing. That'll be part of a vlog.
It'll be okay. I also think like this coffee table, or not coffee table, side table right.
Hello beautiful people, I'm still looking crazy, but before I get in the shower, I want to go ahead and straighten up a little bit. I kind of already started, and then again, I forgot to turn on the camera, but I want to get a few behind the scenes of me just kind of straightening up. I have some laundry I need to put up, and then I just ordered a pizza because it's been about an hour and a half since I checked in with y'all. I was just trying to go over some emails and verify everything that I need to shoot today. The one company I need to shoot for, I forgot, it was supposed to be holiday style, which is why I knew that's why I needed to go ahead and get the tree and some holiday decor. So that just means when I pick my mom up, we're gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna have to shoot pretty quick and get stuff done like that. So that's the game plan. But right now I just need to straighten up a little bit, wait for the pizza to get here because I'm hungry already. Yes, I'm greedy. I said what I said. But I already started to straighten up, but things need to be, it's just a mess, okay? Hello, beautiful people. So the day is a catastrophe. A catastrophe, I tell ya. So I was trying to get some content done. Nothing was coming together right. I was on a time crunch because my mom is here. I'm just literally all over the place. I want to scream. The wig that I was gonna, nothing was coming together. I have content due today. What really messed me up was last night I really wasn't feeling good towards the end of the night. So like I just had to call a night and get in bed. I was not feeling good. Then I couldn't sleep well. Chaos. But the content still has to get done today. I don't know what happened, but I lost one. I lost a nail already. It's okay. The devil's really working. He better choose another one because I don't have time. He better leave me alone. He better leave me. But you're just gonna get over me? No, ma'am. Anyway, y'all, I'm still blessed and highly favored, but struggling today because I'm not on top of my game because I don't feel 100% like at 100%. You know what I'm saying? So I don't feel on top of my game. Struggling, slowly but surely starting to feel better, but like the whole stuff he knows, it's just annoying, y'all. Yeah, come on, y'all know what I mean. So it's just throwing me off my game. But what we're gonna do? My boyfriend cooked. We're gonna go eat. We're gonna come back to the house, and I'm gonna have to work. I'm gonna be recording. I gotta edit. I gotta do some things. Gotta get some content out because tomorrow when we leave, but this weekend, so Sunday's vlog is gonna be fun because we're going to the trip that we're going on, and they have like a whole itinerary of events. So I'm really excited. It's gonna be good content, fun, nice little fun because there's like this I don't want to tell y'all, but there's like an adventure event, they're like a cute outfit evening kind of event, lots of cute little things. So I'm excited about that. So there's a positive. I'm trying to stay positive. I'm blessed and highly favored. The devil's working. I rebuke. Sometimes you gotta hype yourself up, like, period. I need some music because music really do put you in the right mood. They really do. Anyway, I'ma hit y'all up when we get Mama Bear. In the meantime, in between time, I'ma need some Megan Thee Stallion, something hype to like shake this funk, cause I ain't got time. Y'all feel me? You feel me? By the way, thank you guys so much for all the love on my vlog so far, Vlogmas. So far, so good. Hello, beautiful people. So I just dropped my phone off finally, so we did trade it in on time. Go us. Now we're at Bed Bath & Beyond because I need comforters. As y'all know, my best friend's supposed to be getting me some, but it ain't coming yet, and we need something to sleep with. So, and my mom's here. Hey. Did you ask her about it? Yeah, but we haven't decided on one together. Okay. Do we need a cart? Not really. That's gonna make me get other stuff. Okay. Ooh. We ain't got time. I don't need anything. I want to get holiday decorations, but I want to take my time and get them. So, okay. Ooh. Yeah, we ain't got time. Comforters are over here. Oh, that's kind of cute. Let's pick something so we can get out of here. Turn this one. Okay. I need a queen size. Preferably. Oh, we may have a winner. Let's see. Because originally my headboard, I thought it was going to be more like nude color. Turns out it's more gray color, so that changes everything. So I think I'm about to just get this other one over here. Something real basic, but cute. How much is this? Y'all, so good. Beef stew. Okay, wow. That's what we doing? That's how we coming?
That came up.
She heating hers up. So good.
I should have got my other paper towel.
Okay, y'all, I completely forgot this morning, but I'm about to take my ritual vitamins. Yes, I absolutely love these. Y'all know I did a sponsorship with them, but these are so good. I love these. So let me go ahead and take one of these.
What you blocking?
What did I tell y'all in the visit at home vlog? Parents find the darnest. Where did you get this? Is this phone?
Yes. Wait, look.
Did you wear this in the airport?
No, I decided.
What's wrong with it?
It wasn't as bad as I thought.
This must have been $2. Did you can make this?
No, Eileen gave it to me. I don't know where she got it from.
Can we not? Hello, beautiful people. So I recorded a video, shot some campaign content, and now I'm about to pack for the trip. Last minute AF. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. I'm fine. You're fine. It's fine. So since it's like an influencer trip, I need to bring multiple outfits just in case, but I don't want to do too much. So I'm gonna just pack a little my little tiny itty bitty suitcase. So let's grab sis out, and then if it don't fit in there, it's not coming with us, okay?
Look at some old pictures of me, and I really wasn't seeing me clearly. I mean,
what you mean?
Because I feel like I look so much cuter than I thought I did.
What? Oh wait. Oh, you're saying you look back like, oh, I look cute.
Right.
I do that too. Like I'll look back and I'll be like, why did I think I was big? My little scrawny butt. Okay.
Or why did I think I was just walking around looking so bad? It's like, no, you weren't.
Hindsight is 2020. That's where it came
It
from.
really is.
I mean 2020. Okay.